The elegance of change, a scholar's ode to the world. I walk the earth with measured pace, a seeker drawn to time and space. Within the pages, scholars write, yet greater truths lie in the light. The mountains stand, austere and grand, their wisdom carved by nature's hand. Each ridge and peak, though worn and old, speaks of the stories time has told. The rivers weave through rock and stone, soft currents shaping worlds unknown. With patient hands, they carve their way, a quiet force that none betray. Beneath the sky of endless blue, the forests rise in verdant hue. From seed to shade, they stretch and grow, a testament to all we know. The stars compose a silent hymn, a symphony on heaven's rim. Born of fire, they shine and fade, yet leave their mark in light displayed. The world, a canvas vast and bright, evolves beyond the mind's delight. No single moment stays the same, yet all is bound within its frame. And so I learn, through sight and thought, the lessons nature's hand has wrought. That beauty lives in all that grows, in all that shifts, in all that flows. For knowledge bends and time proceeds, and wisdom waits where wonder leads.